हॅलो प्रिय विद्यार्थी आणि विद्यार्थिनींनो, काल आपण जे पिरियड घेतलं त्या पिरियडमध्ये ओरिजिन अँड कंडक्शन ऑफ कार्डियक इम्पल्सेस पूर्ण केलेला. We have completed the origin and conduction of the cardiac impulses. Now in today's period we will see the cardiac cycle. We will study here the cardiac cycle as per your syllabus. Next bit is the cardiac cycle. Cardiac, you remember, it is about the heart, and cycle continuous in the cyclic form. So cardiac cycle means the cycle which is happening in the heart. That is nothing but the contraction and relaxation, which is called as the systole and diastole, systolic and diastolic. So here this cardiac cycle in short form we can denote it CC. So in our chapter CC means the cardiac cycle. You know, in there is the BP. BP means the blood pressure. You know, there is the ECG, electrocardiogram. So this is the abbreviation which is used in our physiological study. So cardiac cycle, I yesterday told you when we are studying the I need bit from your syllabus. So first we have to define that. What is that? Cardiac cycle. So what is the definition of cardiac cycle? What is the cardiac cycle? So here the sequential events of heart. You know that in the heart continuous events are there. Not emotional events. The physical events. Contraction and relaxation. So sequential events of the heart in which cyclically repeated in the heart, the events are cyclically repeated, continuously repeating. So contraction, ankuchan, that is called as the systole, and relaxation, prasaran, that is called as the diastole. So systole and diastole means the contraction and relaxation movement of the heart that is happening in both auricles and ventricles. You know that in the heart of man there are 4 compartments, 4 chambers. Upper half is the auricle and lower half is the ventricle. So in the upper half there are two auricles, which is also called as the atrium. So left auricle, that is also called as the left atrium, and right auricle, which is also called as the right atrium. So upper half is auricular section and lower half is the ventricular section. In the ventricular section there is again 2 chambers, left ventricle and right ventricle. So the systole and diastole of both auricle, upper one, and ventricle, lower one. So that is called as the cardiac cycle. So the cardiac cycle means the sequential events of heart in which cyclically repeated contraction and relaxation, which is also called as the systole and diastole of both auricles and ventricles, is called as the cardiac cycle. Remember, dear students, you try to remember, you give the concentration towards the teacher, you give the concentration to your education, concentration to your study, then definitely you will successful, you will achieve the top position. You become the number 1 in your study. So here, relaxation is called as the diastole. This is the medical language, and contraction is called as the systole. So generally, the normal heartbeat, normal and abnormal. Remember, normal is good, abnormal is somewhat dangerous. Abnormality. So normal heartbeat is generally gives the heartbeat 72 heartbeat, हृदयाचे ठोके सो 72 पर मिनिट, प्रत्येक मिनिटाला 72 हृदयाचे ठोके, 72 हार्ट बीट्स. रिमेंबर, a normal man. So when the man frightened, when the man is in tension, then that may increase, that may decrease. So you remember, in the normal man, the normal heartbeat is 72 heartbeat per minute. The duration of one cardiac cycle is 0.8 per second. एका मिनिटाला 72. तर एक सायकल मग किती सेकंदाला? एका मिनिटाला 72 वेळेस. तर एक कार्डियक सायकल जी आहे, एक सायकल ही याला किती वेळ लागेल? तर 0.8 seconds. We know that there are 72 cardiac cycles in per minute. Heartbeat is 72 in normal man per minute. So duration of one cardiac cycle is 0.8 second. Remember, when there is the heartbeat or in the cardiac cycle, there are 3 events. During the cardiac cycle, there are 3 events. There are means where? There are means in the heart, there are 3 events during the cardiac cycle. So, there 3 events are auricular systole. Auricular systole. Remember, systole means what? The contraction. So, auricular systole means auricular contraction. Then ventricular systole means ventricular contraction. And then the diastole. Diastole means relaxation of the auricle and ventricle. Each ventricle, remember, 2 ventricles are there. Each ventricle forces 70 ml blood. Each ventricle forces 70 ml blood. The volume of forced blood out of ventricle per minute, प्रत्येक मिनिटाला किती रक्त वेंट्रिकल मधून फोर्स केले जाते? सो 5040 ml. Remember, 5040 ml. So 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. So here we can say that roughly 5 liters of blood is forced from ventricle per minute. This is the per minute. This oblique line and m, that is the per minute. प्रत्येक मिनिटाला the volume of blood forced out of ventricle is roughly 5040 ml in normal man. In the sportsman, this is a more force are created by the ventricles. Here the cardiac cycle CC, cardiac cycle has 2 sounds. Our heart having the 2 sounds. We can listen it with the stethoscope. Doctors, putting their ends of the stethoscope in the ear, and just like the some structure, rounded structure here or here anyway, on the listening for the sound of the heartbeat. So in cardiac cycle there are 2 sounds. One sound is the lub, second is the dub. So continuously our heart gives the sound lub dub, lub dub, lub dub, lub dub, lub dub continuously. So that sound we can listen with the help of stethoscope. Doctor can listen very clearly. You can also listen. There is a practical. In that practical, I will show you how there is the sound produced by the heart, that lub dub sound. You can listen in the laboratory with the help of stethoscope in the practical. So lub means what? Lub is the first sound of the heart, and it is associated with the bicuspid and tricuspid valve. You know, in the auriculoventricular aperture, there is a wall. When auricle opens into the ventricle, so there should be not backflow. For preventing that backflow, there is a bicuspid wall and tricuspid wall on the auriculoventricular openings. Once the blood passes from auricle to ventricle, that never come return because there is a wall. That wall prevents the backflow of the blood. So, lub is the first sound of heart and it is associated with the bicuspid and tricuspid walls of the heart, which is on the auriculoventricular aperture. Remember that. Now another sound of the heart, that is the dub. Dub is the second sound of the heart and it is associated with the closure of semilunar valves. When semilunar valves is closer or close, that time second sound of the heart, that is the dub. So this lub dub, this sound is continuous in the heart and that gives a cardiac cycle. So there are 72 cardiac cycles per minute. That is called as the heartbeat. Each cycle requires 0.8 second times. So dear students, in this period, we have studied the cardiac cycle. Now, from this chapter, the ECG is remain and BP is remain. ECG means electrocardiogram. This is also in your syllabus and blood pressure is also in your syllabus. So, the last 2 beats from your syllabus that is remain from this chapter. After completing that 2 beat, this chapter will be finished, this unit will be finished. Now, a test is arranged. MCQ type of test is arranged on unit first, on first lesson, first chapter, that is a digestion. So, after this period, I am sending the PDF file of notes of the first chapter only for your study, for giving the test. So, study that chapter very well and I have prepared the MCQ. That MCQ is a 20 and you have to give the correct answer, choice, and you send on the WhatsApp. You send the first question, first number 1. If option is B, then you write first B, second D, third C. पहिला प्रश्न म्हणजे प्रश्न नंबर आणि त्याच्या पुढे त्याचा ऑप्शन, करेक्ट ऑप्शन. सेकंड नंबर क्वेश्चन, सेकंड, देन त्याचं करेक्ट ऑप्शन, करेक्ट आन्सर. असं करून तुम्ही 1 2 3 4 5 असं 20 पर्यंतचे प्रश्न दिलेले, 20 प्रश्न दिलेले. एकाचे उत्तर काय आहे ते समोर लिहायचं, कॉमा करायचं. दुसऱ्याचे उत्तर काय आहे ते समोर लिहायचं, कॉमा करायचं. तिसऱ्याचे काय आहे ते लिहायचं आणि हॉनेस्टली, प्रामाणिकपणे आपण ही परीक्षा टेस्ट द्यायची. तुम्ही तुमच्या घरून द्यायची, कॉपी करायचं नाही. माझा तुमच्यावर विश्वास आहे. तुम्ही प्रामाणिक आहात आणि प्रामाणिक असायलाच पाहिजे. आई वडिलांशी आणि शिक्षकाशी नेहमी प्रामाणिकच असायला पाहिजे. तसं तर साऱ्याच जगाशी जिथे जिथे आपला संबंध येईल तिथे तिथे आपण प्रामाणिकच राहायला पाहिजे. प्रामाणिकपणा, हॉनेस्टी, दॅट शुड बी ए स्पेशल कॅरेक्टर ऑफ द मॅन. So, you are honest with the students. So, you send your answer. So, in the form of a message. First, you write your answer on a sheet and you can send that by message. Your name and that your paper in the form of message. Now, I will send the PDF file of chapter first for your study. Then I will send the question paper. Then you send your reply. So, for today it is sufficient. Thank you very much.